guys, so I'm having a productive afternoon. My fridge has been broken for a while now and hasn't worked, so to kill some time I decided to get it out of my van. So that's where it was, as you can see, the massive hole. But the only thing is, it doesn't fit out my skinny little door in between this little gap here. It doesn't fit. So what you gotta do, you gotta take it out the front, but you gotta take out one of the car seats in order to get it to fit through. So it's going to be a chore, but I'm up for it. So I just got the chair out, and I swear it weighs more than the bloody fridge, and it's just a chair. So that's the van now without a front seat. It's amazing, there's only 4 screws holding that chair on. Like 4 screws like this. So yeah, you realise it's not really that great of a security. So now I've got to bring the fridge through. Okay, so the bloody wind kept blowing this door into my back as I'm trying to get in and out, so I just tied it to the bloody fence. Bloody hurt too when it whacked into me. Okay, so I thought I was gonna have to take out that chair as well to get the fridge out, but there was no screws in the back, so the chair just tilts forward, which is a bit dangerous. Like, it wasn't an accident, the chair would just whoop. So I'm definitely getting screws for there now, like, and just realised that is so bad. So now I should be able to get the fridge out now that it's forward. Round like 10. Okay, so I couldn't get the chair quite further enough forward to get the fridge out, so I'm hoping this is far enough forward. I took the headrest off so I could get it closer and tied it to the steering wheel so it'll stay up. Now let's try this. I think this is round like 15 now. Damn. Whew. It's getting hot and sweaty. There's a nice breeze though, thank heavens. Hooray! It worked! I finally got it. Well, at least on the chair. I finally fitted it out, so now I just got to lift it up and out and good to go. Okay. So it's a little bit heavier than I thought, so I got it on there. So let's check out my girl muscle power here to carry it out. So it's pretty big. Yay, so my awesome muscle power worked and I got it out. Yeah, it's only been like an hour too, so record time. Now I just got to put the old chair back in, fix up that, and then tidy up in my van because of, you know, I put all the fridge stuff everywhere. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed me get this massive fridge out of my van. So the only thing is now I've got a temporary fridge I'm going to put in that spot, so when I get a new one I'm going to have to do all that again, but with another fridge, a new one. So don't look forward to doing that, but yeah. Okay, so here's my temporary fridge, right? I measured it and I went, yep, that will fit. It goes all the way in until you get to this stupid handle. As you can see, it's just sticking at few mil out. So it doesn't fit. Don't you just love that? Not. So I have to stick it in sideways because it's skinnier that way. But I was hoping to get the back of it facing that vent, because or else it stinks. So Hoping it won't smell too bad if I put it in sideways. Thank you guys for watching. So I'm all finished. You got the fridge in there. It's in sideways. I could get it in the other way. It doesn't fit. Just that few mil out, as I showed you. Yeah, and the chairs are back in the front. Yep. So it's all good. Doesn't look as pretty as the other one, but you know, temporary fridge will do for until I get a new one. Yeah.